everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting, Amazon Web Services Cloud Quest Generative AI Practitioner. If you have been following me, you already know I've shared tons of videos, Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect Labs, so this is the perfect next step to level up our cloud skills. In this series, we are going to explore hands-on scenarios, fun tests, and practical exercises that will help you understand how to use AI in the cloud, all while we are having a bit of fun along the way. If you are ready to learn, play, and build your cloud skills, make sure you stick around and let's get started. Welcome to this Cloud Quest game. We are going to we are going to explore Amazon Bedrock Playgrounds first, and we are working towards Generative AI batch on Cloud Quest, which we will practice in Skill Builder. And we are going to start by learning the problem, what problem is, and then we will go through the solution. We want help selecting a model for our customer service chat-based AI experience. We would like a model to handle text conversations and process images. What would you recommend? A great place to start is evaluate different models in a controlled environment in Amazon Bedrock to compare how they perform. Okay, how we compare them? Using a common customer service scenario, we can run different models for a side-by-side comparison of their responses. That's perfect for our use case. Can you provide me more details how we can compare the responses? Amazon Bedrock Console offers multiple playgrounds where we can compare responses across different AI models. We can also test various prompts to see how different models respond, so we can evaluate and compare their performance side by side based on the different variables. Can we customize these models to better fit our needs? Yes, absolutely. We can just adjust parameters such as response, length, and conversation style. Could you also guide us through the process of evaluating the foundation models available in Amazon Bedrock for image generation capabilities? Yes, you can evaluate the image generation models through the Amazon Bedrock console. The image video playground provides an environment where you can test and compare capabilities of different image generation foundation models. Okay, can you demonstrate Amazon Bedrock playground environments? I will set up a session. Looking forward to it. And let's accept and start working. We are now going to start the lab and start exploring the playgrounds of Amazon Bedrock, and we are going to wait for the lab to start. Once it's started, we can open the console. Now that we are in the console, we are going to search for Amazon Bedrock. Okay, let's view model catalog first. Model collection, providers, modality, marketplace deployments. Let's see what under providers, let's see what Amazon LLMs are, models are. And Nova Premier, Nova Sonic, Nova Canvas, Nova Flight, Titan models, Nova Wheel, text to video, image to video, and select chat text playground. Chat and text. Let's select a model and select Nova Light, on demand, and apply. We are going to write that prompt. You are a helpful AI assistant that provides accurate and concise information. Do not include any inappropriate content. We are going to keep the temperature at 0 and top P will be 0.9. We are going to select maximum output sequence and add sequence. This is the prompt we are going to run, and let's run. Okay, learning rate, number of epochs, batch size, number of layers, neurons. Now we are going to turn on compare. We are going to select Meta Llama model on demand, apply. We are going to provide the same system prompt, temperature 0, length will be maximum again, and let's run our prompt now. This is how it shows in a different way. It's showing the time in here, how long it took to run, so we can compare. This is the other prompt that we are going to run now. And this already came out. This was quicker, Nova Lite was quicker. And now we can compare. New laptop, can you help me choose one? Looking for NIP, can you help me find one that fits my needs? What will you primarily use? This one is giving me structure example, and this one does not. AI assistant, what are you going to use for? It's asking. It also gives me examples here. AI assistant is providing me some. Okay, this gave me a model that I can buy, and this one again, this one explains a little bit more and then provides me models too, which will be quite similar. This is then how we can compare. This is also giving me links. Now we can go to image video playground and select a model. Model will be Titan video image generator, and apply. Create images of 14-inch laptops. Not exactly what I'm looking for. Let's try something else. Under advanced configuration for prompt strand, move slider to 10. Prompt strand to 10. Okay, now it generated 3 responses for me. Now if we are going to change the model, which one do we need to change to? Nova Canvas. Okay, from strand 10. Aspect ratio. I'm going to download these images. Okay, let's run with Nova. Okay, tell me, which one did you like? I think I liked previous one. It depends what you are going to use it for, but the previous one was kind of more realistic for me. Now the practice part is completed and we are going to do the DIY part. And let's start DIY. Use Mistral 7B model to test prompts. Compare the output from Mistral 7B mode with the Titan or Nova model. We are going to go back to text. Select a model. 7B and apply. Are we going to compare the output Mistral 7B, maximum output tokens, temperature? Let's use that as default, and I would like to compare and select another model which will be 7B mode. No, it will be Titan or Nova model. Express version, this one. Okay, let's ask for a prompt. Generate a but this one is, I think, Titan Express. We probably need to change the model. I'm going to select something else. Let's say Nova Light and run. This is giving me opening scene. Okay, I really like that one. I'm going to even take it with me. And we need Mistral validation. I found it here. Okay, so now it's completed. Alright everyone, that wraps up today's Cloud Quest adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other playlists on my channel where I will share other generative AI labs, cloud practitioner and solutions architect labs. There is plenty more hands-on learning waiting for you, and if you are interested in vibe coding, automations and exploring all kinds of tech topics, stick around and hit that follow button so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!